Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 424, longest repeating character replacement. So this means we are giving a string s and we are also giving an integer k. This k means we can exchange k integers. For example, this is a, b. We can exchange b to a, another b to a, and then we got 4a, or we can also get 4b's. So this means the length will be 4. And let's say this example. This means if we can change this b and we get 4a's, so the length is 4. Maybe we can also change this a to b, and there will be 4b's, and the maximum length is 4, and we cannot find a length even longer than this. Let's say the value of s. So the s maximum of the length is 10 to the power of 5, and s consists of only upper English letters. Yeah, so the k is maximum to less. Like this kind of a problem, normally we will use sliding windows. But how should we use the sliding windows? Let's go to the whiteboard first, and after that I will go to the code editor to finish the coding. So I'm going to use the second example. So here k equals to 1. This means we can exchange one character, b to a or a to b. Of course, inside the character, it is not only a or b, it may be other uppercase English letters. It doesn't matter. So how should we find and how should we shift our sliding window? For example, if we use a sliding window, normally we have a left pointer, and there will also be a right pointer. It will start from the beginning, from the first index. So here is L pointer, and here is R pointer. And then the R pointer will shift. So if the R pointer goes to this place, and go to the next place. But how should the window shift? Yeah, the window have to slide. If the window cannot slide, we cannot solve it using sliding windows. Yeah. So if we know the maximum of the characters, for example, here the maximum character, I mean how many numbers, the maximum value of the character. If a is k and the value is 3, it's the value. If b, how many b's? There's only one b, but up to here there are 3a. So what is the maximum of the character? It means a, it's 3. It has 3. Yeah. So according to the maximum of the numbers of the character, we can design our sliding window. Because if we know this maximum is 3, but up to here, this is r. So the length of the sliding window is always r minus, this is r minus l plus 1. So up to here, what is the length? So the length is 3 minus 0 plus 1. Yeah, so 3 minus 0, it is 3, minus 1, it is 4. So up to here, the length of the sliding window is 4. If this 4 minus the maximum number of the characters, it is 3, it is 1. Yeah, and here we still have a k equals to 1. It means we can shift this number, this character b to a, or any other characters, yeah, to this maximum character. It means we can still use it. Yeah. So what if the r pointer goes to here, goes to the next point? So the r minus l plus 1, it becomes 5. Yeah. And what about the maximum character? It is still a, and there are 3 a's. So 5 minus 3, it equals 2. So this 2 is more than this k. K is 1. Yeah. If this number is more than this k, it means we cannot use this k, this number, to exchange it, because we have to change the two characters. It's impossible. Yeah. Because the maximum, we got 3 a's. We have to change. It's not possible. This means we have to shift the sliding window. So the L pointer have to shift it to the next position. Yeah. After it shifted to the next position, we're gonna check if it is possible. Of course, here is not possible, because if this L shifted to here, here is R pointer, we know that AB. Yeah, it's not possible if we only change one character. And then the L pointer will continually shift, and the L pointer shifted to here. So what is the maximum? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, after shift the L pointer, the R pointer would also shift. We have to check what is the maximum. For example, if the sliding window is here, the R pointer goes to this position, and we're gonna check. We can change this A to B. So the R minus L plus 1 is 4, and what is the maximum? It's character B, it's 3. So 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So it means it's still a possible answer. Yeah, because it is 1. 1 equals to K. Yeah. Otherwise, if we shift, it means it's not possible because the sliding window becomes 5, the length of the window, and the maximum character, yeah, I mean, the sliding window goes to this position. The maximum character B is 3. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. 2 is more than K. It means this window is not possible. We have to shift the window. So the L pointer have to shift it to this position. Yeah, so this is basically the idea of how to use the sliding window. But how to check the maximum characters? For example, here is A, here is B. So we have to use a dictionary, because inside the dictionary there will be character like A, how many A's? For example, A is 3, and how many B's inside the dictionary? Maybe B. For example, we here go A, here B equals to 1. Yeah, and for the dictionary, we can easily to check the maximum values. We just need to use max d dot values. Yeah, because in dictionary we can get the values and then we can calculate the maximum. So in this way we can calculate the maximum. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna use the sliding window and a dictionary. After that, we can get our result. So let me go to the code editor to finish the coding. If you didn't understand anything, let me explain it inside the code. So I'm going to design a left pointer and a dictionary. Here I use D as my dictionary and result. So the L pointer will start from 0 and the dictionary will be a default dict because I will use calculations for the dictionary. So I'm going to give a default dict int just to save many lines of code, several lines of code. And then I'm gonna define my result. Because the s is at least 1, so I'm going to define the result as 1 first. Yeah, and I'm going to return the result, and then I'm going to write the sliding window template. Yeah, so I'm going to use for our, say, in enumerate s. Yeah, so here is basically the template for sliding windows, and the result should be the max result r minus l plus 1. But what happened just up this result? Yeah, because this is basically a template. But what we're going to do, we're going to first put this character inside the dictionary. Yeah, and we check the values, how many of these characters. So here use dc plus 1, we get a k value pair. So k is the character and value is the number of the characters. Yeah, because we will use the max to calculate what is the max characters and how many. Yeah, and how many characters of the max. Yeah, and here we're going to use a tag while. So this is the template. So the sliding window will be r minus l plus 1 should minus this dictionary, the max of d dot values. Yeah, this means, for example, if I go like here, so this is the left side, this is the right side. So inside of the dictionary, the max value is 3 because there are 3 A's. Yeah, if there are 3 A's, so the max is 3 and the sliding window is 4. So it means it's still possible. Otherwise, if it is more than k, so we need to shift the sliding window. But before shift, we need to update the dictionary. Yeah, so DSL should minus 1. Yeah, because if we wanted to shift the left pointer, we need to update the dictionary. Before there are 3 A's, now it will be 2 A's. And after update the dictionary, so the L can plus 1. Yeah, and then shift the L pointer. So in this way, the time complexity is On. Yeah. Maybe you think here need some actual calculation. Yeah, because there are 26 uppercase English letters, so it is 26 times 10 to the power of 5. It means 2.6 times 10 to the power of 6. It can still pass the Leetcode. Yeah. Now let me submit it to check if everything is okay. Yeah. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Yeah, so the basic idea is about this line. So this line is checking for the sliding window. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty fast. It's nearly 60%. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like this. See you next time.